Hello. I just received my pop-on veneers in the mail. They came pretty quick. 2 weeks I waited in a few days after my impressions. But I'm gonna show you my teeth before, and then I'm gonna put them on. So this is my teeth now, and I'm gonna put them on. They click on, so they feel like they holding on, tight enough but not tight where it's uncomfortable. So it's very comfortable. Um, and this is the way they look now. I I love them. It's awesome, and I recommend them 100%. So order them right away.